What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out a little house in Kampot for $130 a month. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without see. Meet people, live foods, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so I'm downtown Kampot, and the tuk-tuk's about to grab us and bring us over to where this little villa is. Alright, let's go. Are there ones over here too? Little single ones. But I think the one I'm getting is inside here. So this is what it's like when you first enter in. There's a parking lot over here that's like sheltered from the rain.
I come before maybe 20 minutes as talk with the owner because no two together with. And all this bungalow got have unavailable origin. Only the last one there available to see.
I'm taking a couple pictures and video. Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yes, please go inside. My apology, inside is a little bit less because with my cleaner, she's not coming today.
That's okay.
Here is the house. We have here, sir. This house we have one bedroom over here. We have the kitchen over here. We have the fridge over here. We provide also one table for you to eat. This is good space for 1 or 2 people. We have a table, a chair, and we give a fan for you to use it.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, and this is the cabinet. This one you can cook and you can store anything in here. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom, we also provide hot and cold water inside. This is the stuff, and this is the mirror.
You know, inside a little bit messy because not clean yet. Alternate.
Oh, it's fine.
You have one bed in here. The one that you can hang your clothes, the aircon, and also the small table over there. The small cabinet that you can store something inside. If you choose this house, we will prepare it perfect for you, the perfect as we can do, and also we will arrange if you need something. My mother and I will be gardening for you. We have something around here, and also at the back of the house we have some plant also.
Oh, nice.
And in front you have the jasmine bush. Here is the jasmine bush. In the night time, it will provide a good smell to you if you walk around. And in here we have green crab. We planting it, and they gave us already fruit. And yeah, this is the second year. I hope they will provide more fruit. And this is lemongrass. If you don't like this, we can cut it. But in Cambodia, we believe this one expel the mosquito. It can give the good smell for us also. And in here, we have aloe vera around here, the sunflower, and this is the lime tree that I told you. They give the small fruit. It's similar to orange, but it's a bit bigger.
So there's jasmine bush here. That's just like jasmine tea, kind of, right? The same smell? Is that?
No.
No?
It's a bush. It's not a jasmine tea. If
Okay.
you make a tea, it's different.
And that's a lime tree.
Yeah, it's a lime tree.
What else? You said there was chili out here?
The chili is there. It's in
Over
front
there.
of my mother.
Oh, okay.
At the back, you can see this is
Yeah.
just a kind of decoration tree. This is lemongrass. We have the banana here. This is guava.
It's a banana tree, and
This
then
is guava. This one is around 2 years old. Papaya. Some
papaya tree.
yeah. This is sorry. The smell is a little bit. This is
okay.
Mango.
Mango tree back
Yeah,
there,
it's a mango tree. Is it coconut?
and a coconut tree.
Yeah.
So there's a few fruit trees in front and behind.
This house, a lot of tree here was planted by my mother, and we will take care of it. And if you need any fruit, we can give you some, because all of this we will take care and we will harvest everything.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So they take care of harvesting and taking care of
But
the trees.
if you need, we can provide you. We can give it to
Okay.
you some.
So I'm thinking we'll take this fridge, the fridge right here. Then this will be all open, this nook. Take that table and put it in the bedroom as my desk. Bring this chair over here. And then all I'll have to buy only is a little coffee table and one more little tiny love seat, or we're like but it's only 2 kilometers, but it's just very not very developed around in this neighborhood out on this road. This whole place, it's kind of stops right here is my side, and then the neighbors would be on that side.
Yeah, yeah.
And they've designed it in a way that it's a really solid separation in the middle, and you don't hear each other, and there'll be privacy. Plus you have the whole length of my yard, and then their yard, and then it's their front door, so you have a little bit of buffer space here.
At night time, this also a kind of a flower. The smell is really good. You can try to smell of this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but only small of this. But when you have at the night time, there's a lot, and the smell is really nice.
Cool.
And it's a kind of berry. It's like this, and it's sweet.
Huh.
You can try it. It's sweet, right? Yeah. And
Interesting.
this one,
I've not tasted anything like that before.
stronger.
Right, yeah. He's saying when this grows out longer, you can cast a bunch of shade in this front yard here. But every once in a while they have to prune it so that it'll grow straight and strong and everything like that.
Also some goat, the thing that you can eat, and you can changing it and make it as thing that you can drink.
Oh, a gourd.
Gourd.
Yeah, it's tough to say it. It's almost like a pumpkin, but really small. Yeah.
And also we have the pumpkin seed, but in here because the land is not good, the plant is dead, but we only have the seed.
You can see here behind the house, there's over that wall, there's an elementary school over there, but they mostly only operate in the mornings. I guess it's summertime now too. They're probably on summer break for the next few months. Okay, so we're walking out of there now. I really like this place actually. So let's take a look at these other houses as we walk by. I had a really good vibe off those guys too. Really good people. It seems like he's really into plants and gardening because they have so many fruit trees. The rest of the neighborhood on this road is very underdeveloped. Like there's nothing here, see? So I just double checked on the map, and it's like from the Durian roundabout in downtown, we're like maybe 1.5 or 1.7 kilometers away, which seems very close. But the road does not go in a straight line there. You have to kind of go all the way to the left and then down. So because you can't just drive directly as a crow flies there, then that ends up being about 2.2 kilometers. It's like 2.2 kilometers of driving to get downtown. So, but I love having the mountain view, and I love the peace and quiet and the tranquility. So you can't have it both ways. You can't say, oh, well, now it's too far away. Like, and if you think about it, 2 kilometers isn't even that bad. So technically I could just walk into town right now. It's only 2 kilometers. Like, in 2 or 3 minutes, it'll be downtown. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.